Some of her hair is big.
Don't pull on her hair.
She gonna get you, Trisha.
Stop pulling my shirt off of me.
Don't be mean.
You guys are silly babies. I got silly babies.
Got you this time.
She loves to play with you.
I know.
Aw, look. She's watching you leave.
I'm doing this.
Hmm. Alright, we're going back to Bella. Hi, Bella. Hi. Hair.
You got her, do you, huh?
Did you get your
got her?
sister?
You got her, huh? You got hold of her good?
So you're not leaving me now. You're not leaving me now. See? She says now you can't leave her.
You, huh? Oh.
She says, no, you're my sister. You can't leave now.
Oh, she says, Trista, come here. Let me love you.
She wants a big hug and a kiss.
Say, come here, let me love you.
Got hair. You.
Give her mama too. Oh, look, she still wants you.
She wants to like me.
No. Is she leaving you again? Huh? No.
Was that your sister, huh? Was that your sister you had a hold of? Was that your sister you had a hold of? Huh?
I got to go get ball from outside. A little one.
Alright.
Oh, gosh.
Hi.